car parked in a driveway, trying to get to him. That's a car right there. See the mirror on the right? The roof is blowing exactly on top of his car. Truck ran good. I'm about 12 hours in. This is just a lot I take care of. The hair salons are done. I can't say that. The one is not completely done. I got to get the skid steer over there. And my yard and a bunch of driveways aren't even touched yet. But the commercial lots are pretty much done. Thursday evening. And we're deciding to get the skid steer here, start cleaning the yard up. Got a little bit of work ahead of us. Got to get those trucks over there cleaned off, the backhoe, skid steer. Cleared right up. Cleared right up. Couldn't get the skid steer to run. Battery was dead. Woo! All right.